Hey there guys, this is Senku and welcome to my Let's Play of Subnautica. This is an early access game, still in development. I have played a little bit of the game in my streams, but I will do a new game so I can show you the game step by step. This playthrough, this let's play will be paired off alongside with Fatal Frame, which by the way I've uploaded the first episode, so go check that out, and will be paired up with another game also. At least that's the plan, although I don't really know what the game will be. But yeah, let's get started. So, new game. So we have three difficulties: freedom, manage, supply, and avoid dangerous creatures. You will not die of hunger or thirst, which is kind of meh. The hunger and thirst features really make the game a lot more enjoyable, as in it's harder. So survival, manage air supply, avoid dangerous creatures, and eat and drink to survive. Okay. Then we have hardcore, like survival mode, but with one life. I'm not gonna choose this one because I just think it's too much. I really don't want to have like a lot of things and just die and have to restart all over again. I think that's not the purpose of this game. So yeah, let's go with survival.
In the late 22nd century, humanity is beginning to colonize space. Before colony ships arrive, habitation vessels are appointed terraforming missions. The Aurora was one such vessel. During its descent, the Aurora was struck by a mysterious energy pulse, resulting in catastrophic hull failure. A single life pod jettisoned prior to impact. You were in that life pod.
Okay, so here we are. Oh, by the way, guys, this first episode of Subnautica will probably be a little short because I have some things to do. I have to go play on my League of Legends ranked team. So this will probably be a little smaller, but the other episodes I hope will be a little bigger. So we're in a life pod. Let's climb up the ladder. And we can see we basically crash landed in this planet on our spaceship, the Aurora. This is our little life pod. And press F8 to report bugs and give feedback. Okay. Yeah, basically we have to survive. So let's get inside of the life pod. So we have here the fabricator. The fabricator, like the name says, fabricates things. Things we need to survive, build equipment, and so on. I have a lot of things here. So the first thing in order that we really need is a knife. So that would be an personal tools, yeah, knife for
Scanning
cutting
the
materials.
Aurora, zero life signs detected. Lethal radiation levels detected. The main drive core has malfunctioned. The primary dark matter containment field has dropped to 36% amplitude. Continuing to monitor.
Okay, so something's happening in the Aurora. So we're gonna build a knife for cutting materials. We need titanium and silicone. So how do we make titanium? We need some scrap metal, which actually makes 3 titanium. And for silicone we need 2 quartz. So let's go look for it. We also have a little hole here, an escape pod. So yeah, pretty cool looking game the first time I saw it. So we need some titanium, which you can make with scrap metal. And we're gonna need quartz. Oh, there's more scrap metal. And here's some quartz. Convenient. More scrap metal there. I'm gonna catch it real quick. Okay. We have to manage our air. We have 45 maximum, so bear with that. We're gonna actually catch this fish, and this one. An air sac. I'll explain what these little guys are used for later on. Open the PDA with tab, which is our inventory. Come here. Also gonna catch this little fishy, that peeper. Come here. They're really fast. Okay, I got it. Another one. Got it. And one more. Ah, got it. Okay.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Okay. So let's look for one more quartz. Put it away. Did I didn't let it go, did I? No. Break limestone, so you can break these. Get some materials. Copper ore. Where's a little piece of quartz? Oh, another limestone. Copper. Oh, there's some quartz and more titanium. I mean scrap metal. And yeah, that's pretty much what we need for now. So let's go back to the pod and make our knife.
Caution. Readings from the Aurora suggest erratic fluctuations in the primary dark matter containment field. A breach of the main drive chamber may cause a cascading quantum flux detonation. Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Okay, so there's something going on with the Aurora. Okay, come on. Okay, so
New creature discovered.
let's make some titanium with the scrap metal. 3 per piece. Okay. Titanium ingot. We need 10 titanium. Not gonna do that. Let's do a silicone. Okay. And oh, craft a knife. You can also craft an air bladder. Personal buoyancy. Never done it. Have no idea what it does. I'm gonna make a knife. And there you go. You can now cut things. Really useful. So the fish we caught, we can cook them. Have here the cooked peeper, a feast, and a cooked air sac. Not much meat. Actually, we really don't want to cook these because we can make water with the air sacs. So basically, peepers for food, air sacs for water. Of course, there are other types of fish, but never use the air sac for food because they don't give that much food and they give a lot of water. So remember that. Let's make some water. And let's cook those 3 peepers we got and eat them because we're running low on food. Open the inventory. Oh, open the inventory. And eat, and eat. Okay, we're full now. Let's go back. Let me just quickly how do I okay, never mind. So first order of business, or I should say second order of business, since we already have the knife. Let's just keep catching this scrap metal. Is starting to build a base.
Warning, readings from the Aurora exhibit characteristics consistent with total degradation of the dark matter containment field. spikes in quantum fluctuations suggest an uncontrolled cascade detonation will occur, with a probability of 83.5%.
Okay. We want to build a sea base, but it's not. Although it's kind of a priority, you don't have to rush it. You just have to start thinking of building it, I guess. And to build a sea base, we need. Where is it? Fabricator. We need a builder. Builds underwater base and submarine modules. To do a builder, we need a computer chip and a battery. How do we do a computer chip? Electronics, actually. We need a jewel disc piece, 2 jewel disc pieces, a silver ore, and quartz. So, need to find a silver ore and jewel disc pieces. And what else did we need? Oh, battery. Acid mushroom and copper ore. Acid mushrooms are everywhere. And silver ores we can get at deeper deeper places of the ocean. So we have to check that out. But I'm also gonna build some fins to increase our swimming speed. We don't need that. And we also need some tanks to increase air by 30 seconds.
Readings from the Aurora show severe instability in the primary drive core. The central dark matter reactor will reach a supercritical state in T-minus 10, 9, 8,
Let's look
7.
Let's look at this.
5, 4, 3, 2.
Whoa. So, there goes the Aurora. We can actually go there and explore it, but we need a special suit because the water nearby near the Aurora is full of radiation, so we'll die if we go there. So we need a radiation suit. So we need silicone and lead, which we also need to do. But for now, what is it that I needed? Oh yeah, fins. So silicone. We need 2 quartz and we need 2 silicone for fins, so 4 quartz. Do I have any quartz? I have 1, so 3 silicone. 3 quartz. So here's 1. Okay. Oh, these purple things are the acid mushrooms, so yeah, they're pretty much everywhere. Not really a rare find. Oh. So there's more quartz there. Grab it. Okay.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen
there's
remaining.
a lot of quartz here. That's good. Let's go back. Let's actually grab all this quartz. Probably gonna need more. So let's catch it as we can. This is actually a really pretty game. I was actually amazed the first time I played it. Great visuals. Quartz. Some more.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Be careful with the oxygen, don't go too deep because we don't have air tanks yet. So grab that one. Okay. Oh. Yeah, this. there. Okay. I think we have enough for now. Let's go with this one. Okay, I think that's enough for now. Let's go back to our pod. Make some fins.
Emergency. 10 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Okay, fabricator. Personal equipment. No, we need to make silicon first. Okay, personal equipment, fins. So I think they're equipped. Yeah, increase the swimming speed. Awesome. What else do we want to do? We need a builder. So we also need a radiation suit, silicon ×2, which we probably have, and lead. How do we make lead? Let me see. Oh, lead. Copper ore and silver ore. Okay. Haven't found any silver ore yet, so I think I'm gonna do the tank first. So titanium and glass. And how do we make glass? With quartz. Let's do that. And equipment. And we have a tank. Great. So 75. But I actually like having 2 tanks. That just increases the time we can spend underwater. So let's make the second one. And yeah, that's pretty much enough. Let's deconstruct those scrap metals into titanium so we can have more space. And let's go to tools. Machines? Yeah, I want to make this a sea glide, which is really helpful, and a constructor. I'm also going to make this, it's a small storage space. Oh, I'm going to put it right here. Right here. That's fine. So I can stop. Oh god. Switch container. Okay, whatever. Gonna make it so we can open it and store some things. Gonna store all this titanium. Oh, damn it. No, 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 no. Titanium. And store it. So and a copper. Okay. So what we want to do, we want to do a sea glide, so we need a battery, copper wire, and titanium. Battery, how do we make a battery again? Acid mushroom. Okay, I can go get those right now. Need 3, I think. So 1, 2, 3. Pick up. Machines. No. Resources, materials, electronics, battery. Okay, so we have the battery. We need copper wire, so I'm guessing we need copper. 2 copper. Okay, let's go look for it. Yeah, big difference with the fins. So copper. Oh. Stay away from those. Those are bad. Don't mess with those things. Copper. We need those limestone chunks. Look around the rocks. No, nothing. We have a lot of time because we have so much air thanks to those 2 tanks. It's actually another type of fish. Boomerang? Should be some... Oh, is this? Seamoth fragment. I'll tell you all about the seamoth later on. Another type of fish, the Gary fish. Oh, there's one. Here. Okay, copper.
Warning, 30 seconds of oxygen remaining.
Go back up. Let's see if I can find some more chunks. Titanium. I think I need 2 or 3, I don't remember. I think it was 3. So one more. Slowly make our way back. Maybe it was 2. I have no idea. I really can't remember. Here's one. Ah, titanium. That sucks. Really want another copper piece? Oh, no. Not gonna go there. Let's go back up. Oh, there's a rock here. Okay, I'm just gonna say it was 2 and go back. Because I have to go. So let's just see if I can make that part for the sea glider.
New creature discovered.
Which was copper wire. I have titanium. If I can make a copper out. Oh, I can. Cool. So make a glider. Really useful, so I can like in the water go really fast. I'm also gonna make some water and cook that boomerang so I can eat it. So let's eat it and drink the water. Okay, seamoth fragment. I'm actually going to store that. So in comes this and out goes the seamoth fragment. Okay, so we're pretty set up. On the next episode, we'll try to make that radiation suit and see if we can get started on the builder. So yeah guys, that was the first episode of Subnautica. I hope you enjoyed it, and until later guys, have a good one.